there, Life Champions! Nandito po ako ngayon sa Sabang Waterfalls na matagpuan sa Sitio Sabang, my Puerto Princesa, and we are so glad to see you today. Join us as we take a look at what God is doing through our church dito sa Life News.
Last Sunday, Pastor Ancho showed us what it feels like to be in the shoes of others. But he emphasized on us doing our best, and we only can achieve this if we are focused, be totally committed, and with complete obedience to God.
Today, babasagin natin yung ating mga haka-hakang puro pagnanais, pagnanas at panaginip. Dahil sinasabi ng Lord, dapat may gawin ka. Get going! Crossover! God is saying, if you do kung ano ang sinabi ko, puntahan mo, lakar mo. Pag napuntahan mo yan, lahat ng mapupuntahan mo, iyo.
And of course, our life resources are still available. Just drop by sa ating red tent at the lobby on Sundays o magtungo sa ating Life Media Office na matatagpuan sa right wing ng ating main campus. Bukas po ito during weekdays from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you are married or planning to get married, then we invite you to a couple seminar. Makakasama natin si Pastor Rubiles from Bohol. Yan ay sa darating na January 16 na gaganapin sa Life Auditorium. Contact your life group or network leaders for more information.
We ask our people, why should we attend our corporate prayer gatherings? Here are their answers.
Kailangan natin umattend ng ating mga prayer gatherings kasi yun lang yung time na pwede tayong mag-pray na may kasama tayo kung saan yung mga kasama natin is pwedeng mag-agree sa prayer needs na kailangan natin.
Because prayer is our happy hour. Because prayer moves mountains.
Alam niyo ba na makikita kung totoong disipula ka kapag ikaw ay uma-attend ng morning watch at saka ng prayer power? Because our power is in prayer. Yun ang power natin. So all we need to do is really obey God and go against the flow, sabi nga eh. And my encouragement, let's finish the 2015 na lahat tayo ay hindi naka-absent sa ating AM Watch.
Kaya naman, we encourage you to come and join us next week sa ating Morning Watch. That's on Saturday at 5:30 a.m. sa ating tahanan sa Junction 2 San Pedro. And on January 23, Friday, 9 p.m. para sa ating prayer power still on our main campus.
Hi to everyone from Life Church. This is Gary V. Wala na akong masabi, except thank you for all the support that you've given me and that you've given my promoter. It's amazing when people of the Lord capture the vision that He has. And I know that this will not be the first time. It won't be your first time to work with me, and it won't be your first time to have the opportunity of blessing so many others in Palawan, in Puerto Princesa, and who knows, but maybe even others from all over the world. God bless you all. Pastor Ancho Buenaventura, you indeed are the pastor of the Home of Champions. So continue to... You know what makes you champions? It's not what you do. It's just that you have the Lord in you. So when you have the Lord in you and you are in Him and He is in you, you can't be anything else than a champion. Kahit na medyo hindi nagkakatugma yung pagiging champion sa kung ano man ang nararanasan nyo sa buhay ninyo, don't let the enemy whisper something in your ears that is not true. Continue to live by that word, Jeremiah 29:11, that says, I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Alam nyo, sa lahat, sa buong verse na yon, yung pinaka tumatak talaga sa puso ko is the fact that I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. It was the Lord that said it. Plans that are not to harm you, but to prosper you. Plans to give you hope and a future. So as far as tomorrow is concerned, that's already answered because the Lord knows what He has in store for you. So again, champions, keep on being champions for the Lord. And God bless you, Life Church.
At yan ang ating mga updates for this week.
Handa na ang inyong mga puso, isip, notes and pens para sa panibagong life-changing message na maririnig natin sa ating pastor.
And of course, do not forget to connect to us using our social media outlets. Live Champion, saan ka man po sa mundo, ako po si Jonard Angelo.
At ako naman si Evangeline Manas Doroteo.
I'm EJ Rago.
Have a
great week, champions!